Hello everyone. So today we're going to fix an annoying thing that I find in Windows 11. So when I right mouse button on a folder, I don't have my usual items. For example, I can't directly print a file from here or anything like that. So we're going to fix that. We're going to make it look more like Windows 11. This is nice, but not perfect. Okay. So to do that, we're going to go to regedit. Pop it up. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Computer, HKey Current User, Software, Classes, and then we're going to go to CLSID. Okay, that's where we're going to be right here. Okay, now at this point, what we want to do is we want to create a new key. So I will put this in the description, and you can find this on helpfixmypc.com, so that you can do this with all the step-by-step via web page. Okay, so we're going to create a new key, just like that, and we're going to rename it, and with a certain key, and that's what it's going to be. Okay, and we're going to save it. Now this key again will be in the description. Now what we want to do is we want to create another key on top of that. So I'm going to hit new key. See that? Okay. And now we want to call this, I'm going to rename it and paste it in Pros Server 32. Okay. Now we're going to go to this default key. All we're going to do is hit modify. This is the great thing about this. We literally do nothing other than hit OK. Okay, now we just hit OK. Now if everything went right, we're going to restart Windows. You can either restart Windows or you can do Control-Alt-Delete, go to Windows Explorer and click Restart. Okay. And now if we right mouse button on that, come on. Nope. Did it too many times. Now it's confused. There it is. We have all the options back, which I kind of like. So hopefully you like this video. It's nice and simple. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much.